So my mom is babysitting a bird this weekend. Hi, Nico. Hi, Nico. Hi. Tiger.
Tiger, he's fluffing up. You're gonna get poked right in the eye.
Hi, Nico. Hi. He's eating almonds. Tiger, stop it. So I go to use the bathroom and what?
Tiger, why are you obsessed with this bird? He will not leave this bird alone. Tiger, leave the bird alone. He's just doing his thing. That's it. That's it. My dog is crazy.
Tiger is obsessed. You are obsessed, Tiger, with this bird. Nico is an African gray parrot. Nico! Oh! And here in our kitchen we have an African gray parrot and his enemy, Tiger! No! I can't pet his feathers, can you? Nico, if I'm a bird, you're a bird. Say it. Say it. If I'm a bird, you're a bird. Nico, can I hold you? Can I hold you, please? Can I? Can I? Oh my god. Oh, Nico, come here. Nico. Nico. Man, I just want to hold you. Come on. Nessa, come here. Okay, are you ready for this, Nessa? Ew. So Nico is gone now, but look who's really upset. He's waiting for him to come back. Oh, Tiger, are you gonna miss your friend Nico? He's not coming back, Tiger. I'm so sorry. Nico was a nice bird, wasn't he? You had a friend. Oh, this is so sad. Tiger is sitting in the place where Nico was. He is so depressed. Tiger, look, he won't even move. Tiger. Oh.